The Rivers State Governor, Simi Fubara, today had a meeting with his team of commissioners and state members. They all sat in a roundtable meeting discussing on the way forward to grow the economy of Rivers State. According to his words, that they want to position Rivers State in the process which the past administration did not position it, and he was just throwing shades back to back at the former governor Nyesom Wike in this particular statement, talking about the economic development of the state and not taking out money from the state coffers to do projects that are irrelevant for the state. The governor had spent loads and loads of time emphasizing on building the state and ensuring that the good people of Rivers State enjoy a good healthcare and other beautiful facilities. Here's the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
The state economically in such a way and manner that even if we don't get federal allocation anymore, we can sustain ourselves with our IGR. The responsibility of this agency is going to be very big. It's going to be challenging because I know they will want to fight back. But I know that this crop of men and women has what it takes. They're disciplined. A few of them that I've had interaction with have shown that they are people who are principled. And I am very convinced that they are going to lead Rivers State to where we want to. Look at what is happening in Transamadi. We can make Transamadi come back to what it used to be. We can develop the resources we have in One. We have Obebema, gas hub. These are promises we made during our campaign, and we must fulfill those promises. So I want to charge you. I know that by the special grace of God, and I have no doubts that they are going to make us proud. Let me officially inaugurate you. Wish you the best. My door will be open. If there is any challenge anywhere, be free to call my attention to it. I'll give you all the necessary support to make sure that you succeed. I am not just inaugurating you because I want to inaugurate, for sure. I want it to be a serious business for the interests of Rivers State. We have waited for this moment for a long time. It's a moment that we all have been praying for, because we want to live a Rivers State that will be remembered. Rivers State that can compete, and Rivers State that can stand the test of his states. Rivers State, among the League of Other States, used to rank among the first. People were leaving other places to come and stay, live and do business in Rivers State. It got to a time when things turned around. Maybe, would I call it expansion of the state, because normally development comes with its own challenges. But on the other hand, it's not really the cause. It was mismanagement of our blessing, channeling our blessing into the wrong cause. And this, in one way or the other, set Rivers State to a state that it become very pitiable economically. We might be celebrating that, yes, we have a very fertile location where we've been able to improve our IGR. But we still have a lot to do, and that has to do with this agency. The purpose of this agency is to give our people to assure them that Rivers State can still come back to that enviable position that it once occupied. Those people that were doing business in Rivers State that left for one reason or the other, they can still come back. People who intend to come back and invest, because Rivers State is blessed. It has its oil, it has the most important item for development today, which is gas. It has it in abundance. So the purpose of this commission, or this agency, a lot of people don't even understand why we had to take the pains to select these very respectable men who have made their names in their respective fields to man this agency, so that they can be the gateway, one-stop shop. People that are coming here will know that Rivers State is now serious. Rivers State is not about coming and I now take the side of maybe I'm interested in 10% or 20% of what you're coming with. That is not the purpose now. The purpose is to build our state. The purpose is to grow.
Your Excellency, on behalf of the board, the governing board of the Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency, we say a very big thank you to you. We thank you not just for appointing us, but we thank you because it's an honor to be given an opportunity to serve. There are many people out there who are willing to serve, but they never get the chance. And the fact that Your Excellency has taken the time, the effort, and consulted widely to invite what I see as a very distinguished, a proven, tested crop of one lady and her gentleman to come and serve the state is testimony to your foresight. We thank you, sir. For us, it's a great honor. Your Excellency, we have heard, listened very attentively to your charge. And that charge resonates, I believe, with everybody in this room. This is a time of, whether we like it or not, for many people, a time of despair, a time of problems, a time of challenges. And everybody has an option. Your cup can either be half full or your cup can be half empty. Your Excellency has decided that the cup of Rivers State shall be completely full. And when Rivers people invest, the whole world will come and invest. We thank you, Your Excellency, for giving us this opportunity. We shall do our best to help all the other organs of government to work together with, not in competition with, but together with all agencies of government, ministries, departments, and agencies, to reduce red tape, to work around policy inconsistency. Your Excellency, what you have said is that, and we all hear it very clearly, and I conclude here, is that you want to simplify investment into Rivers State. You want to make investment in Rivers State seamless.